Even if you small, the big God dey inside you. You don't ever look yourself for mirror and ask, who I be sef? You don't ever feel like say you too small to matter. Like say your voice no loud reach. Like say life don dey pass you by and nobody even notice your struggle. My brother, my sister, make you calm your heart. Because even if you small, the big God dey inside you. You know they walk alone. You know they fight alone. Sometimes life go show you pepper. Doors go close. People go ghost you. Your hope go begin shake. But hear this truth. Small seed fit turn to mighty tree. And mustard seed faith fit move mountain. Not despise your small beginning. Now from small fire, big flame they start. Now from quiet corner, God they raise champions. Remember say, David na small boy when Goliath fall. Na shepherd boy turned king because God hand dey on him head. So even if today you dey broke, lonely or confused, make you still hold hope like say tomorrow dey sure. Because the same God wey raise dry bone for valley still dey breathe life into your dry dream. You fit think say you no get power, but make I tell you, the spirit wey raise Jesus from death dey inside you. That na power wey pass any fear. That na light wey darkness no fit quench. The Bible talk for 1 John 4:4 say, greater is he wey dey inside you than he wey dey for the world. So not let your smallness deceive you. God inside you big pass any challenge wey dey outside you. Make you stand up now. Clean the tears for your eyes. Look the mirror and make you talk say, I carry greatness inside me. Your story never end for here. Your comeback go loud pass your setback. Because when God dey inside you, even your small start go shake nations. Even if you small, the big God dey inside you.
This na Greywood Whispers. Voice wey no loud, but get sense.